Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm making one of my Nonna's Italian dishes and it's coming right up. So today I'm making pepperonata. Pepperonata is like an Italian salsa made with tomato and capsicum and some fresh herbs and garlic. Traditionally, my Nonna would make this to eat as an accompaniment to her beautiful crumb steaks. After my Nonna would make a batch of this salsa, she used to wait for it to cool down and then put it into jars and keep it in the fridge. So we used to actually eat it cold on our steak, and it acts as this wonderful condiment that just adds so much flavor to your meal. The best part is it's really easy to make, so let me show you how it's done. First, I wash and de-seed some large capsicums, and then I slice it into thick pieces. Next, I finely slice an onion and some garlic. Now, to peel some fresh tomatoes, take a sharp knife and score the top of both your tomatoes. Then take some boiling water to fill a bowl and place your tomatoes in that boiling water for a couple of minutes. This little trick makes peeling your tomatoes an absolute breeze. After that, you chop them coarsely. I also roughly chop a tin of peeled tomatoes. Now, in a large saucepan on a medium heat, I add a good tablespoon of butter and a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Once that has come up to the heat, I add my onions and my garlic, and I give them a good fry until my onions are almost transparent. Once my onions are done, I'm going to add all that capsicum. I'm going to cook my capsicum for approximately 15 minutes. Stay close by so you can stir your capsicums occasionally. This is also a good stage to add some salt and pepper to taste. So once you can see your capsicums have really started to cook but not cook completely, it's time to add all the tomatoes and a good couple of handfuls of coarsely chopped fresh herbs. That's basil and Italian flat leaf parsley. Give that all a really good mix. Then pop the saucepan lid on and cook this slowly for about 25 minutes to half an hour until that capsicum is nice and soft. At this stage, stick around. You may need to add a little bit of that tomato juice that we had reserved. That's just in case your mixture is looking a little bit too dry. But be careful, we don't want to add too much. This can't be too wet and it can't be too dry. Once you know you're nearly finished the cooking process, add a couple of tablespoons of vinegar. Give it all a good stir, take it off the heat, and allow it to cool completely before storing into glass jars and keeping it in the fridge. So now it's time for the taste test. I have a beautiful piece of crumbed lamb steak here, and I've put a good old dollop of pepperonata on top. So let me have a little taste. See if it lives up to my Nonna's pepperonata. Wow, that flavour just takes me straight back to her kitchen. That is beautiful, guys. So if you want to try something a little bit different to have as a to partner up with your steak, something to make your dinner a little bit fresh and new, try some Italian pepperonata. Especially if you're a salsa lover, you'll really enjoy these flavors. Really savory, really Moorish, and you just want to keep on tucking into your steak when you eat it, partnered with this beautiful salsa. If you want to try and make it for yourself, just head down to the description box below, find the link to my website and just go from there. Have a good browse, and don't forget, if you've liked this video, give me a big old thumbs up, share it with your friends, or better still, subscribe so you always know what I'm up to in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.